Welcome to the toy part. Oh, hey little George. Your Thomas and Friends soft drinks looks so yummy. It's perfect for our very hot summer. Where did you get it, little George? 'Cause I want one too. It's really yummy. And let me show you where I got it. Let's go. So here it is, Peppa Pig. It's where I got it from that vending machine. Oh, look, there is an ice cream truck next to it too. It's an Elsa ice cream truck. Let's go take a look. Oh, hello Snow White. What are you selling today? Hey little George. Hi Peppa Pig. We are selling some ice cream only. No smoothies this time, I'm afraid. Oh, it's okay. I think Peppa Pig wants some soft drink instead. So let's go over there. Oh. Hey, it's a Thomas vending machine. Wow, it looks so cool. There is a blue one. Said sports strength, and here a red one, apple drinks, and green one. It said lemon. Yellow one, orange juice. What would you like, Peppa Pig? Well, I don't know. It doesn't look like they have what you're having, little George. But it's okay. Maybe I'll have a lemon soda. Okay. Sure. Let me just go get some change. Here we have some change already. Peppa Pig, go ahead and buy some drinks. Mama Pig just gave us some change before she went out, so we got plenty to spend today. That's awesome. Maybe I'll just grab a couple of drinks. Would you like one? Yeah, sure. My drink is finished, so I can do a apple drink, please, Peppa Pig. Sure. Let's put the coin in. It's a very special Thomas and Drink coin. Let's put it in. Apple drink, right? That's right. Let's go for the red button. Oh, look, here's the drink. Oh dear. It's an orange juice. The machine must have been broken. I'll have this then, because I like a juice. Sure. Well, let's see if we can get little George another apple drink. This time we're going with a red Thomas and Friends coin. Oh dear, it doesn't work. Let's try again. Maybe there's a lemon soda. Ah, there you go. This time it's an orange juice as well. Well, it's okay. Let's have some orange juice then. Shall we try one more time? This time, let's try the sports drink.
Thank you.
Hey, so it works. Let's see. Oh, look, little George. It's the apple drink you want. There you go. Thank you, Peppa Pig. Let's buy some for our fridge too at home. Let's try another one. Oh, I think they've run out of drink. Let's try again.
Please come again.
Please come again. But there isn't any drink coming out. Let's try a different button. Hey,
Thank you.
this time we've got a drink. And it said thank you. It's a talking vending machine by Thomas and Friends. Oh look, it's another apple drink. Cool. We have 2 coins left.
Please come again.
Hey, the green button finally works. Let's see. Wow, we got a sports drink. It's perfect. Now let's see, we still haven't got the green lemon soda yet, so let's try that with our last coin.
Thank you.
Hey, look. It's a green one. Yay, now we have one of everything. We have the green lemon soda. We have the red apple drink. Oh, we have 2 red apple drink. We have 1 sports drink. And we have 2 of these orange juice. Very nice. Let's bring them all home, Peppa Pig. And put them in our fridge. Hey, I think our fridge is a bit small for all those drinks, Peppa Pig. Let's see if we can fit them all in. Oops, we've got some cucumber. Let's put them in the lower compartment. We also have some apples. More cucumbers. Ah, now there, it's enough space, I think. Let's see. Oh, maybe not my drink. Let's try to put this one in. Wow. The second apple juice. And then the orange juice. And another orange juice. Oh, we can still fit in this one. But I don't think the door will close. Let's try again. Very nice. I think we can still fit in the sports drink. Hey, well done, little George. Now we can save all the drinks for later when we feel very, very hot. Anyway, that's all guys. Thank you for watching the toy park. Bye bye.